So we are given an equation, we need to solve for it. So now we can write log 5x minus log 5,4 minus log 5,3 is equal to 2. As for all the log terms, the base is same. So we can write log 5, as these two are in minus term, so it will be x by 4 into 3 is equal to 2. Now if we want to eliminate log, we can simply write x by 4 into 3 is equal to, so this base will go this side and this term will come as power. So we can write x is equal to 5 squared into 4 into 3. So it will be 25 into 4 into 3. So it will be 300. And this is our answer.